Okay, the question reads, the number of points scored by each of 8 teams in a quiz was as follows. So one team scored 80, another team scored 59, 73, 45, 79, 59, 35 and 62. The first question says, find the range of the number of points scored. So if we just text mark what we think is important, 8 teams is going to be important. The range. Okay, so if you think about where you've heard that word before, so my self-monitoring will tell me that it is the difference between the biggest value, take away the smallest value. So if I go through the data, I see that the biggest value is 80 and the smallest value is 35. So I need to find the answer to 80, take away 35. I can do this in 2 steps, nice and easy. 80 take away 30 is 50. 50 take away 5 is 45. So the range is 45. Question 2, part B. Find the mean number of points scored. The mean, or the mean, is one of the most common types of average. You find the mean by adding all the values up and dividing by the number of values that are there. So I need to add up 80, add 59, add 73, add 45, add 79, add 59, add 35, add 62, and I type them out. I do that on the calculator, and that gives us a value of 492. So in the question it said that there were 8 teams. So I have to divide 492 divided by 8, which gives me an answer of 61.5. And that means that the average, the mean, is 61.5. Our value, the number that we have here, must be between 80 and 35. If it's not, then you've done something wrong. Okay, and the final question is asking us to find the median number of points scored. Well, if I text mark, self-monitor, the median is the value that is in the middle of an ordered list. So what that means, I've got to take the numbers, write them in order, starting with the smallest. So we've got 35, then I've got 45, and I cross them off as I do it. Make sure I do not repeat. Then we've got 59, 59, you have to put them both down. So it's 62, then we've got 73, then you've got 79, and I've got 80. So the next step is to find the one that's in the middle. And to do that, I cross them off from either end of the line and work towards the middle. Okay, we're left with 2 values. So that means you've got to find a number that's halfway between 59 and 62. So to do that, a safe and sure method is that I can add the 2 numbers up and divide by 2, because that will tell me what is halfway, and that gives me 121 divided by 2, which is 60.5. And that's the median. So altogether this question is worth 6 marks, so 6% of your paper. So it's a very, very important question, quite a standard question really.